Today we're making a fresh-tasting, Greek-style wheat berry salad. Welcome to Combine the Kitchen. Today we're making a Greek-style wheat berry salad. This recipe features wheat berries, and wheat of course is grown in Ontario. And wheat berries are just that whole kernel of wheat, so it's a whole grain. Eating whole grains has been associated with a lower risk of heart disease, stroke, diabetes, some cancers, and digestive disorders. So eating whole grains is good for our health. And this recipe is a quick, easy, and delicious way to incorporate whole grains into your diet. So to get started, we just put some cooked wheat berries into a bowl. And to that we're adding a can of lentils that have been rinsed and drained. And then we add some cucumbers, black olives, and cherry tomatoes that have been cut in half. And then we'll just give that a good stir to combine all the ingredients. And now we'll make just a quick and easy vinaigrette dressing. So we start with some Dijon mustard, a few herbs, and some minced garlic. And to that we add a little bit of oil, white balsamic vinegar, and some apple juice. And I'm just going to put the lid on and give that a good shake to combine. Pour the dressing over the salad. And stir it well to combine. We finish off with just a sprinkle of feta cheese. And your Greek-style wheat berry salad is ready to enjoy. For this recipe and other great recipes that feature grains grown in Ontario, visit goodineverygrain.ca.